Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is annwyd, which means a cold. Annwyd, as in, mae gynni hi annwyd, she's got a cold. Annwyd, a cold.